Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Do you ever practice vertical fire rolling? If you've already figured out how to fire roll and it comes easily to you, go ahead and try some different positions like vertical, straight up and down, and then a vertical sort of on a horizontal plane. It's a nice little extra challenge. Get about 4 inches of cotton. We'll try it 3 times. And about a 1/4 teaspoon of ashes, as usual. Now you don't want your fire roll to be this wide, so keep gathering up the edges and move it into the middle. You want your fire roll to be as short as possible because it's going to spread way out already. So if you could make it shorter than that, it would even be better. Let's just use my hand railing right over here. All right, I'm still going to do 10 rolls in one direction, turn it 180 degrees and 10 more rolls. Didn't want to miss the opportunity to show you my nice little stove made out of a green bean can with the permanently attached pot supports. Let's try this stove this time. And here is an interesting horizontal surface. And it is practical to practice like this because sometimes when your surfaces are wet or even when flat surfaces are frozen, a lot of times your verticals won't be. Can you see it? Me here in the shade. All right, let me see if I can find another interesting surface for the bottom board. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.